everyone. My name is Rachel Anwar, and today our topic is Classification of Living Organisms. Unit number 1, Part 4, Grade 5, Science, based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's begin. Classification and characteristics of animals. We have already studied in grade 4 that animals have been divided into two main groups, i.e., for example, the vertebrates and invertebrates. All vertebrates have backbone in their body. They have an internal skeleton made of bones. Their body is divided into three main parts: head, abdomen, and tail. The brain is present within the skull. They have great ability to hear, see, smell, taste, and feel. The blood circulates in the blood vessels of the body. The skin of vertebrates is covered with scales or feathers or hairs. Various types of invertebrates are found on the earth. The invertebrates are animals with no backbone. The body structure of invertebrates is of different types. Some are flat, some are round, and some are segmented. The body parts of invertebrates are different in different groups. Classification of vertebrates. The vertebrates are divided into 5 groups, i.e., for example, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fish. Fish live in water. Both ends of their body are pointed. The middle part is broad and thick, i.e., rohu, shark, catfish, and goldfish, butterfly fish are examples of fish. The body is boat shaped. This body shape is most suitable to swim. They have scales on their skin. Fish breathe through gills. Fish have fins and tail, which helps them to swim. Reproduction in fish takes place through eggs. Their body temperature depends on the temperature of their surroundings. Amphibians. Amphibians can live on land and also in water. They respire through lungs and skin. Usually, their skin is moist and loose. They live on land but lay eggs in water. Their development takes place in water. Their body temperature depends on the temperature of their surroundings. Frog-toothed salamander, newt are the examples of amphibians. Do you know why amphibians could not flourish in the whole world? They are not found in desert and snow because they cannot live away from water. They depend on water for reproduction and development. Reptiles. Reptiles are creeping animals. Their skin is thick, coarse, and dry, which protect their body from external effects. They reproduce by laying eggs on land. Their body temperature depends on the temperature of their surroundings. Lizard, crocodile, snake, tortoise are the examples of reptiles. Do you know? Number 1. Dinosaurs were the largest reptiles of the ancient times, but they have become extinct. Compared to the amphibians, the reptiles flourished all over the world because they do not depend on water for reproduction. Birds. The birds have feathers and beak. Their bones are hollow, thus their weight is less. Besides, lungs birds also have air sacs. Birds can fly in air. Some birds can swim in water, e.g., duck. Some birds cannot fly and are called running birds. Running birds, e.g., kiwi, ostrich. All birds lay eggs. The birds that live in water have webbed feet, e.g., duck. The body temperature of birds does not depend on the external environment. Dove, sparrow, kiwi, ostrich, rooster, pigeon, and parrot are the examples of birds. Do you know? Eagle is a large bird of prey which lives in high trees or rocks. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Hawk is a hunter bird. Penguin is a bird that lives in snow in the South Pole. Woodpeckers live in the holes that they make in tree trunks. For your information, number one, birds have evolved from a generation of carnivore dinosaurs. Number two, how are the birds different from reptiles? The body temperature of birds does not depend on the temperature of external environment, so they remain active round the year. They show parental care. They make nests to live. They migrate from one place to another. Mammals. These animals give milk. They have fur or hair on their body. Mammals give birth to their young ones and feed them on milk. The body temperature of mammals does not depend on the temperature of the external environment. Horse, cow, goat, lion, cat, and human are the examples of mammals. Interesting information. Among the vertebrates in the world, birds and mammals are the largest groups. What is the reason? The reason is that both show parental care, such as you must have seen how hens and cats take care of their young ones. Classification of invertebrates. The major groups of invertebrates are sponges, worms, insects, mollusks, and echinoderms. Sponges. Sponges are aquatic animals and most of them live in ocean. They are of various colors. They usually remain attached to the stones, etc. The body is full of pores externally and canals internally. Water enters through the pores and exits through a large pore. If any body part breaks, sponges can form it again. Worms. Worms are soft-bodied animals. Their body is round and cylindrical. They have no legs. The body of some worms are segmented, e.g. earthworms. The body of some worms are not segmented, e.g. flatworms and roundworms. Insects. The insects are invertebrates with jointed legs. Their body is segmented. The body is divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. The number of legs is 6 or 3 pairs. The external surface of the body is hard, which is called exoskeleton. The exoskeleton protects and supports the body. Wasp, cockroach, mosquito, and honeybee are examples of insects. Do you know stick insect? Stick insect looks like a stick and is green or brown in color. It is also known as walking stick. Leaf insect looks like a leaf. Both of these hide in the environment to remain hidden from the enemy. Mollusks. They are soft-bodied animals. They live in ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans, and on land. They move freely or remain attached to anything. Body of some mollusks is covered with shell, e.g. snail, oyster, whereas some are without shell, e.g. octopus. For your information, when a grain of salt or sand enters the body of an oyster, it forms a pearl around the grain. It takes years to form a pearl. Echinoderms. These animals are found only in the ocean. They do not have any head. The animals may be disc, star-shaped, or a long one. The body has a spiny covering. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.